Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is basically about how to use Google Classrooms to submit your test. So from now on, our cyclic tests are going to happen over Google Classrooms and not through emails. So your the test will be assigned to you on Google Classrooms and you will have to submit your answer sheets on Google Classroom as well. So in this video we are going to discuss how to do that. First of all, you will need to open Google Classrooms on your phones. Once you open Google Classrooms and go into your class, you will be able to see the test that has been assigned to you. So for example, math cyclic test has been assigned to me. This is how it will appear. It will appear as a new assignment, and the topic of the assignment will be your respective subject test, right? So if I click on this test, I will be able to see what this test is about. So this is a math cyclic test. I can see for how many marks this is. It says 25 points. It will show me when is it due. So right now it is showing due tomorrow at 10 a.m. On your test day, it will show you due at whatever time your test ends, right? There will be a short description. So for example, here it is saying this test is for 25 marks, attempt all the questions, submit this test before 10 a.m., right? If you see, there is an attachment here. It is a PDF file. This is basically the question paper. So if you click on the attachment, you will be able to see the kind of questions that are there in this test. So once you open this attachment, what you can do is you can just keep this open and solve these questions in your notebook, right? This is what you have to do. So this is how you have to take the test. So whatever is your test time, so let's say your test time is from 9 a.m. to 9:40 a.m. Okay, so you will receive this assignment sharp at 9 a.m. Then you will open it like this and you will solve these questions in your notebook, in your test notebook, right? So how do you submit this test? Now, the way to submit this test is when the test appears in Google Classrooms for you like this, you click on the test, right? And at the bottom of the screen, there is something called as add attachment. If you click on that, you will be able to attach a file which you can send as your answer sheet, right? So what you can do is you can click on take a photo or you can attach a file. So in the last cyclic test, what we had done is that we had created a PDF of pictures, right? We had created a PDF and emailed it to our teachers. What you can do here is you can create a PDF in a similar way. Okay, so we have already discussed in the last video how to create a PDF file using Adobe Scan app. So this is the app. I'm going to open it and show it to you. I'm not going to teach you how to create a PDF in this video. I'm just sort of uh, showing you how this works. So you basically uh, scan your whatever you have written in your book and you capture it, right? And then using this app you can do a bunch of things. Um, we are not going to get into that, but the way to do this is so when you suppose you are done taking the test, you have written your answers and you want to send it to the teacher now. So what you will do now is you will click on the assignment. You will click on the add attachment button at the bottom of the screen, and from here you click on file. So by clicking on file, it will allow you to attach a file to this test and send it to the teacher. So I'm going to click on file, right? So once I click on file, I will see a bunch of files. So now here you can see that there are a bunch. It's showing me a bunch of different files that are in my mobile phone. So you can see that I have created a file in the format that has been prescribed by the school. So if you see, there is a file called 8123 mayank.pdf, right? So this is the file name. This is how I have renamed the file, the PDF file of my answer sheet, right? So I am going to click on that. If I click on that, it will get attached to this. Okay, so it has now been attached. Once you attach your file, what you need to do is you need to just pull this up. Once you pull it up, you need to click on hand in. This will allow you to send this file to your teacher as your response to the test, right? Once you do this, you just need to click on back, and that's it. That's it. You're done. You have submitted your test successfully. The teacher must have received your answer sheet, and that's it. Once your teacher checks your answer sheet, she will be able to send it back to you, and then you will know how much you have scored, how well you have done in the test, and so on. Right, so that's it from this video. I hope this was useful for you guys. Thank you so much.